One of the first things we noticed about our Can-Am Ryker key after we got home was that the factory plastic key holder was very loose when inserted into the key fob clip. This indicated to us that there was a pretty good chance that over time, our expensive Ryker key fob would eventually fall off, or worse yet, become lost. So to address this issue, we're happy to introduce our Billet aluminum key holders made specifically for the Can-Am Ryker key. These key holders are a slightly larger diameter than the stock key holder, so that your Ryker key fob is held firmly in place when attached to the key holder. Now these are available in a few different anodized colors to match your Ryker's color profile, and include a key ring so you can mount other keys with the same key ring if you like. So if upgrading to one of our aftermarket key holders is on your mod list, be sure to head on over to SlingMods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. Now smash that like button if you like what you saw today, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.